The sensational Vumilia Susumila hitmaker, Mr. AUNGO WUOD AWENDO, has changed the details of her late wife, JABER ONAGI, on her TikTok account. He replaced JABER ONAGI 254 with AUNGO WUOD AWENDO. The account is running to a total of over 120,000 followers. This comes just 2 weeks after the burial of the late JABER ONAGI in his home in AWENDO. AUNGO WUOD AWENDO was seen recently cleaning the cemented grave of the late JABER ONAGI and making clear how deep it feels to live without her. JABER ONAGI left a 2 weeks old baby who is still under care. During his TikTok live recently, AUNGO WUOD AWENDO made it clear that he has no plans to marry another wife, and he will wait quite longer so that the pain of her late wife can be saved away. According to the Luo culture, there is a taboo in cleaning in mopping the cemented grave of the late, and AUNGO WUOD AWENDO has been advised to desist from the act. What do you feel about that? Do you think that it is right or it is wrong to change the details of the deceased just 2 weeks after the burial? Kindly leave your comment in the comment section and follow this channel so that it can grow better. We will continue bringing you top news concerning the Lake region and all parts of the country. May you watch our videos, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and may God bless you.